Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got two Christmas limited editions from Cult Beauty, and I've got the Christmas Beauty Bauble and the Self-Care Cracker. The Beauty Bauble costs £19 and it has a value of £54. The Self-Care Cracker retails for £15 and has a value of £45. If you're interested in either of these, then as always you'll find it down below in my description, as well as any discounts and any offers and other limited editions Cult Beauty have running at the moment you'll find down there. And I've just uploaded my last and final advent calendar giveaway on Instagram to win a Kiehl's 2022 advent calendar. Amazing calendar. You might have seen me unboxing one a couple of months ago. Really great. So you'll find a link to that down below there as well. So starting off with a Beauty Bauble. Get set for party season with this carefully curated bauble starring glow-giving essentials to help take your festive look from day to night. Just add those finishing touches and voila. Now there was some issue with this initially. When the Beauty Bauble was first released, it stated that we'd receive a full-size nude sticks. It's nudies, a all-over face, think lip, cheek tint type product, you know? We'd receive a full-size one, but they got it wrong. They're meant to say we receive a mini size one. I wasn't aware because it's only recently that I've actually looked inside these, so I would have been none the wiser. But about a week after I purchased them, Cult Beauty sent me an email saying they had made a mistake and they were offering me the chance to receive a full-size nude sticks, nudies, in a shade of what I wanted, including free shipping. And they sent me a code as a form of an apology. Now it's more clear. So you'll receive this in shade Sunset Strip. Now with a little mini, you get to twist it up like that. I'll show you what the full size looks like. But it's a really pretty shade and blends out really nicely as well. But yeah, the full size, I can't remember the cost, is it like £28 or something, or £22? So you've got a little brush so you can buff it in. And then I chose cherries because I wanted something different to this. So yeah, so that's the full size one there. So they were really good. They were straight on it, and I received this in the post a couple of days later. So I thought I'd mention it in this video just in case you do read the reviews and you think, huh, what's going on? But yeah, they made a mistake, but everyone will receive a little mini. Next, we got mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex. And this is an Iconic Mascara. It's really well loved. It's one of my favourite mascaras. Not so great for my bottom lashes because I've got very short and sparse bottom lashes, but I do like to put some mascara down there, so I use a smaller, thinner wand. But yeah, I've loved this mascara for years and years. If I go to buy a mascara, I always try and get a mini now because I just find it's just more cost effective. Then we've got a little teeny tiny Iconic London Illuminator. Gorgeous little bottle. Really cute. I've put quite a lot on there now. So you can see that is quite some highlight, isn't it? Now if it looked like that, it would scare me off. But it blends out beautifully. Obviously you don't put as much as this on your face. Well, it's up to you. I would just put a tiny little dot and then blend it all on my higher points of my face. But can you see? It just gives a gorgeous glow with a hint of gold as well. Yeah, can you see better there? You can see the paleness on my arms. So there's that. And then lastly, and the main reason why I think a lot of you will go for this if you do opt for it, is the Natasha Denona palette. This is the Mini Sunset palette. I've already swatched them because I've already filmed this, but I thought I'd filmed it. I didn't click record, so I'd gone through it all and not record, so I'm doing this for the second time. Beautiful shades. I'm actually wearing today Natasha Denona, the Glam palette. My eye makeup is all the Glam palette. It's a gorgeous palette. It's quite pricey, but I managed to get a big discount off it, which is good. But yeah, really impressed with the eyeshadows. Oh, I forgot to show you. I meant to show you my hands. Yeah, see how pigmented they are. So there you go. So those are the 4 items inside the Beauty Bauble. Now on to the Self-Care Cracker. The season of indulgence has arrived and this cracker is bursting with skincare and pampering heroes to help upgrade your festive relaxation, pop your feet up and prepare to wind down. First up, we got something for your hair. This is a hair mask by Diaryofabeautygeek Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. There's 59 mils there. It says this formula is fortified with green smoothie inspired phytonutrients like spinach, chia seeds and cocoa seed butter to help restore, maintain and lock in moisture. There's that. Next we've got a bath and shower gel by Molten Brown, and this is orange and bergamot. 100 mils there. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with orangey scented products. Neroli. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's just really nice. Then we've got a product by Summer Fridays. This is a jet lag mask to hydrate, and there's 10 grams there. I don't think I've tried anything from Summer Fridays before. So this is my very first time. I think so anyway. I usually get all of Cult Beauty beauty boxes, so maybe it has featured in one of these before. I can't remember actually. But yeah, it doesn't really say much about it really. You're going to have to look online to learn a bit more. But yeah, a jet lag mask to hydrate. Then we got 111 Skin London. This is a Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask. And information on the back there, showing you how to use it. As you can see, you've got 2 little pads that you apply underneath your eyes. These specially created eye masks are drenched in formula which helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, softens the appearance of dark circles and minimises the sensation of puffiness. The delicate eye area is left smoother, hydrated and awakened. And then lastly, we've got some supplements from Hum. This is gummies with benefits, glow sweet glow, skin hydration for the ultimate glow, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. And there's 2 tangerine vegan gummies in here. Not going to notice much of a difference after taking these, but I suppose it all helps, doesn't it? And yeah, it's just basically a little sample for you to try and look into it a little bit more and see if it's something that you would purchase the full size. So there you go. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of them? Have you bought ones for yourself, or maybe like Secret Santas? Maybe they'd be quite good for Secret Santas, I think. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.